Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to log out of PolyBuzz account. Yes, you can log out of your PolyBuzz account via the mobile app. While official documentation is limited, multiple recent video tutorials, of course, confirm the logout process works reliably, and I'm going to walk you through that. To open the PolyBuzz app and ensure you're on the main screen, the next step is to tap your profile icon, usually located at the bottom navigation bar. That's the bottom right corner. So just go ahead and click on that. The next thing you like to do is to click on the settings wheel, the clock wheel, which is at the top right corner. And once you click on the settings wheel, it just takes you here. Now you have a couple of options. You have language, you have pure mode, you have voice automatic play, and you have use system font size. Of course, you have push notification, promo code, accounts, and about us. So under it, you have the last thing there, which is logout. I'm not going to click on logout because I have a couple of more tutorials on PolyBuzz AI to show you. So just go ahead and click on logout. And once you click on logout, you'll be returned to confirm when prompted. That's actually want to log out. That's if you're prompted. Then once you do that, you'll be returned to the login or sign up screen. Your account session is now terminated. All right, so that's pretty much. And also, some users report seeing messages like your account is logged in on another device even after logging out. If this occurs on your device, or if you have this issue, it may be due to lingering sessions on other devices or incomplete logout. So in those cases, contacting PolyBuzz support using your UID is recommended. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.